In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell shoes on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you're looking to clear out your closet or start a side hustle, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to list and sell your shoes on this popular platform. Let's get started by opening your web browser and typing in Vestiaire Collective. Once the results appear, click on the very first link to head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button somewhere on the homepage. Click on that to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for those who've previously signed up, go ahead and log in with your details. Now that you're signed in, look for the option that says Sell an Item. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can start listing your shoes. It's an intuitive process, but let's walk through it together. First, you'll be asked what type of item you are selling. Obviously, in this case, it's shoes, so go ahead and select that category. Next, you'll have to specify the type of shoes you are selling. It could be sneakers, heels, or boots. Just choose the one that fits best your item. Then you'll come to the brand name section. Here you have two options. You can either scroll through the list and pick the brand or type it in directly if you know it. Once that's done, don't forget to click on Continue. The next stage is all about entering the item details. Take your time here. The more accurate you are, the better your chances of selling the shoes quickly. Vestiaire Collective is a trusted platform where people seek authentic and well-described items, so this step is really crucial. Adding high-quality photos comes next. Make sure the pictures you upload clearly show your shoes from various angles. Good lighting and a neutral background can make a huge difference, and these simple steps will help potential buyers see exactly what they're getting. After photos, you need to write a description that's both informative and engaging. Think about what you would want to know if you were the one buying shoes online. Now let's move on to the more logistical aspects, adding your address. This helps in the shipping process once you've made a sale. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any hiccups further down the line. Finally, it's time to set a price. Do some research if you're unsure what to charge. Check what similar shoes are going for on the platform to get a fair price that's competitive yet reasonable. And there you have it. Once all these fields are filled, your shoes are ready to hit the market. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy before submitting, and you'll be well on your way to making a sale.